Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can add a profile picture to your YouTube channel. So if you find this video helpful, please give it a like and make sure you subscribe for more useful tutorials. So what you'll need to do is click on your profile picture on the top right and click on View Your Channel. Then you want to select Customize Channel. And then you should see picture. So this will just let you know your profile picture will appear where your channel is presented on YouTube, like next to your videos and comments. And then I'll just give you some recommendations for what size and what type of picture you'll need. So all you have to do is click on Upload. And obviously you can either create one on places like Canva or wherever you want, or just download an image if you want to use that as well. Once you're happy with that, just add the image on there. And just bear in mind this circle, blue circle, will be where the image will be viewed. So all this outside of there you won't be able to see. And you can obviously adjust it. So you can obviously make it smaller if you want to do that. Once you're happy with that, just select Done. Then just select Publish on the top right hand side. You'll also have the option to change and remove the image if you want to do so. If I just click on Refresh, and try again, you should see your image has been changed. Thanks for watching.